He was pretty when she was young. Just ever since Charlie died.
Makes women get so mean-spirited.
Don't worry about it.
Vernon, I know we tried to be nice and save a boy from having to see his older sister throw herself on her husband's coffin.
We did, because she threw herself right on top of his
and
coffin.
while we were pulling her off of the coffin, for trying to pry open that pine box, her nails digging at that wood.
Here, in there, pulling our savings out of that chest of drawers. We, you and me, right? We walked in on him, digging through that chest of drawers.
Stuffing piles of dollar bills in his pockets. I slammed the drawer shut. Well, his hand was in it.
Slammed it tight. Make me feel this chilly, dilly.
Yes, Vernon.
I gotta go down the fences. I got a cover for the air conditioner.
It'll keep the dust off.
Cora!
Vernon.
I'll be back soon.
What now? Huh, Cora?
I sure wish I could afford to cool off like some of the people I know with an air conditioner and all. When Vernon gave me these gloves,
So many years ago. You were only a child.
I was never a child, and you went and took him for yourself.
Had those darn gloves.
You must feel guilty.
You are so much taken by Charlie. I'm surprised you would or can take notice.
Tilly, I told you something before about Charlie and me that I had never told.
Well, who could you tell, Lyndon?
That I had never experienced or was able to have marital love with.
Cora, find yourself a man. Now. So you can know what it feels like. Don't be shy, Cora. Go out and get it.
Matilda. Matilda. I have had some experience.
You have.
I have, yes, with Vernon.
What? Please.
When Vernon gave me these gloves, oh so long ago, and we were so much in love before you came into the picture with your clever charm.
Get out! Get out of my house, you mean-mouthed, dried-up old hag. Never come back here. Near me.
Or near Vernon.
Ow!
Tilly, what is it?
Nothing.
What is it, Tilly?
Nothing at all, Vernon. Goodbye, Cora.
I was telling her about us and the gloves and...
Take the air conditioner!
Tilly, honey.
And I was about to tell her how you consoled me the day of Charlie's funeral.
The day of the funeral.
Yes, remember when you came back here and maimed my brother? Vernon was with me.
Cora.
No. That day Vernon was with me.
Matilda, he wasn't.
No. You weren't with me when I caught Lyndon.
Well, what's it matter what she says? She is lying. Lying.
Am I Vernon?
Oh, that darn air conditioner. It is so cold in here. Too cold.
Matilda, stop being so evasive.
And stop creeping around so surreptitiously, Cora. Stirring up the past. Always so mysterious with your ugly, dark secrets. What joy do you get from that, Cora? What?
I think you all along. You pretended not to know, but you knew. I could see it in your eyes that you knew.
Lying. Lying. Lying.